If you're watching this right now, this is confirmation that you will never have to worry about struggle again. That you will always feel so resilient going forward that nothing can phase you because you've already made it this far. You have made it through so much, especially for someone for your age. I feel like you are an old soul and maybe you've grown up in poverty or you've experienced a lot of trauma in your life, and it's proven to yourself that you are capable of handling anything that life throws at you. You have lost so much and you've conquered so much because of it. So I feel like you've reached a point where you're at this summit in life where you get to just enjoy the views, and that the journey forward is a lot easier than it was going uphill this entire time up until this very pivotal moment in your life. And I want you to take time to rest, to catch your breath, and to enjoy a much slower, easier pace, because that is the reality from here on out. Going forward, life is going to be very different. It's going to be blessing after blessing after blessing. And it doesn't mean that you're not going to experience loss or challenges in any way. That's the human experience. It's that you will be able to move forward in faith and not be deterred by whatever is happening. You won't be destabilized, but by whatever is happening in your life, because life does happen, and your faith and your belief in God helps you get through these things unscathed. So you've only become stronger and better. You have more endurance, you're more resilient, and you even have more perspective now. You've gained a lot of wisdom and spiritual understanding in this process. And that is ultimately the entire point, is this learning and evolution that happens in life through its challenges, through its interactions, through the relationships that you have, as well as the occurrences and strange synchronicities. All of that is guiding you forward to who you are meant to become and what you're meant to do in this life. And every step of the way is an essential part of that process, regardless of what you're doing or what's happening, whether it's big or small. So you will go through challenges, but you will not struggle. You will feel tested by it. It is good stress because it makes you stronger, and your capacity to bear that weight and that pressure has increased tenfold, especially recently, and it's only going to get stronger. And diamonds are built from pressure, and you are a beautiful gem, my friend. So I just want to relay this message to you because it very is just coming from the heart. And I pressed record, and this is the message that came out. So if you've made it this far, let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. And if you're not following me by now, I think you must. I think we connected, and now you're a part of my tribe. So hit that subscribe button and send this to others who need to hear this message too, because I think it's meant to be heard. All right, I'll leave it at that. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.